Day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I received your buy data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Do you have tattoos in your skin?
No, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
Yes, ma'am. I'm healthy.
If you feel unwell or if you think that there is something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No, ma'am. I'm ex-abroad also.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
I choose in Malaysia because now in Middle East is they have a problem, ma'am, of the war.
Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong?
I need to choose in Malaysia, ma'am, because they're already near in Philippines.
All right. So this is not new for you to work as a domestic helper. What is the
Yes,
quality of being a good domestic helper then?
ma'am.
What is the quality of being a good domestic helper?
Being a domestic helper is I enhance already my knowledge, ma'am.
So what is the quality of being a good domestic helper?
Um, the quality of domestic helper, good quality of domestic helper is they have already knowledge in taking good care of babies, cooking, cleaning, ironing, washing clothes, and washing dishes.
Okay. So can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Help me introduce yourself.
My name is Christine Permijo Dumanhog. I'm 36 years old. I have two kids, 15 years old and 16 years old. I am married. I am high school graduate and I am ex abroad from Middle East. 7 years experience in Saudi Arabia and 2 years experience in United Arab Emirates.
All right. I need to know some few more details from you first, okay? You are single or married?
I am married, ma'am.
How old is your husband and what is his occupation?
My husband is 41 years old and already farmers, ma'am.
All right. When is your birthday?
October 13, 1989.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 4'11 and weight is 60 kilos.
What is your religion?
Catholic.
What about your educational background?
I'm high school graduate, ma'am.
High school graduate. You mentioned that you got two children, which is 16 and 15 years old, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Is your husband allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So who will going to look after your children once you come to work here?
My husband, ma'am.
How many brother and sister do you have?
I have two brothers and two sisters.
What is your rank in your family?
I am first, ma'am.
What about your parents? How old is your mother and your father and what is their occupation?
My father is also in security guard, ma'am. And my mother is deceased.
How old is your father? So, how old is your father?
56, ma'am.
56. Your husband allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia, right?
Yes, ma'am.
According to your profile and according to you just a while ago, you worked in UAE for 2 years. What year did you started and what year did you finish your contract?
In UAE, I started in year 2023 until 2025.
All right. What is your job responsibilities there to your previous employment in UAE?
Um, my job and responsibilities is taking care of children, cooking, cleaning, ironing, washing clothes, and wash the dishes.
How old are those children that you take care?
They have twins, 8 years old, and the youngest is 2 years old.
Are you the only helper inside the house or do you have
Yes,
companion?
I'm only one mom.
All right. What happened? Why you didn't renew your contract to your previous employment in UAE?
I did not come back in UAE because of the war, mom.
All right. After that, in KSA, you worked for 7 years, correct?
Yes, mom.
In one employer only? Is it in one employer?
Yes, mom.
What year did you started and what year did you finish your contract?
Year 2016 until 2023.
In what month in 2023?
June.
Alright. So what month in 2023 you started working in UAE?
I start already in September,
What in 2025 what month did you ended your contract?
December,
December.
December, mom.
All right. So what is your job responsibilities to your previous employment in KSA?
My job and responsibilities are cleaning, cooking, taking the kids, taking care the children, washing clothes, washes the dishes, and marketing.
All right. How many children you take care inside the house?
Yes, mom.
How many children?
Four
How
children.
old are those children?
The youngest is 2 years old, and the second is 7, and the third is 10, and the eldest is 12 years old.
All right. So, what month in 2016 you started your work there in KSA?
August, ma'am,
What happened? Why you didn't continue working with your previous employment in KSA?
because the house is very big, ma'am. They already 4 story, and I'm the only one helper.
You are the only helper. All right. I would
Yes,
like to let you know that Middle East and Malaysia is quite different. Okay, there is a huge difference. You need to
yes,
ready
ma'am.
yourself because you might experience some things that you didn't experience in Middle East. Houses here
Yes,
is very big one, really no joke, and employers here is really very particular when it comes of cleanliness.
yes, ma'am.
Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Okay, ma'am, no problem.
Can you take your elderly people?
No, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
No, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
This is a 2 years contract and you cannot simply say you wanted to go back home because you miss your family or you cannot handle your job anymore. Once you
Yes,
terminate your contract without cause, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, correct?
yes, ma'am.
You cannot hold your phone for 24 hours also, you can hold it during nighttime. And you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
We don't force people to come here. If you dislike our terms and conditions, it's okay. It's fine. Better don't come here so that you won't give us problem at the same time. You have a lot of choices. You can stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Normally, how do you deal with your homesickness?
Um, I already, ma'am.
How do you deal with your homesickness?
I'm dealing also um with prayer like that.
Do you think you won't feel homesick?
No, ma'am.
Remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad, because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your children also at the same time. In Philippines, you can be the boss there, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia or in any other countries, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer, because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp, because Globalist agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay? Thank you
Yes,
so
ma'am. Thank
much and have a good day. Bye.